So we think in Indonesia, in particular in East Kalimantan, implementing the Restore Plus, in particular the crowdsourcing, is because our area is not really covered by the internet. So remoteness and the no internet connections will be one of the difficulty we are facing in outreaching the remote area of the communities. And we think that the applications of the crowdsourcing that we have need to be applicable for the remote area like that, so it can be used even it is the offline, and then when we get the internet connection, we can upload it, that information, into the system. The second challenge that we have is the wide range perceptions of the communities, private, as well as the local government on the definitions of the land degradations. Some of the definition may go only to the carbon loss of the forests. Some may only goes to the soil degradations. So we mean degradation is beyond the forest loss itself. It's also inclusive to the biodiversity, the soil loss, and so on. And then the importance or the good thing of our tool, if we use the wide range definitions of the land degradations, it may grab the understanding of the community on the preferences that they provided to us on the restorations objective that they would like to see. Because some community would like to see restoration in terms of their farming land, in terms of their forest, or in terms of some species that they would like to maintain. So our definitions, explaining the definitions of right range of the land degradations will be useful to the wide range of the community to get their restoration preferences.